Hi friends, welcome to Sushan Software Solutions. In this video, we are explaining about how to autotype matrimonial data entry work. If you type manually, it will take so much time and you can't complete work in time. By using autotyping software, you can easily complete the data in time and you can achieve 100% accuracy. By using autotyper, you can save your time and you can spend less time in front of computer. So this video will clearly explain how to autotype matrimonial data entry project. A very easy process. First of all, these are the images, matrimonial images. My team convert these images into Excel sheet like this. Everything will convert into Excel sheet like this. So every data is there. Here, every bit of data we convert into Excel like this. So like this we convert. Then close this Excel sheet. Now the point is how to auto type this data into matrimonial data entry software. I will show you first. Open auto type software. Here open auto type software. The upload Excel sheet. This is converted Excel sheet. I already converted no? That Excel sheet I am uploading. Convert upload Excel sheet. Now open matrimonial data entry software. In autotyper there is a feature so the delay and speed. Speed 10 means it is fast typing. If you keep speed 100 like this means it is slowly it will die. So now I am keeping 10 and delay I am keeping 3. See delay means if it is 3 after clicking on start button after 3 seconds autotyper software will start typing. Okay. Now click on the first form and click on start button and click on the first box of matrimonial data entry software. Now autotyper will start typing with good accuracy. After autotyping, master should check the data and save the form and go to next form. Software is types like manual typing, so no problem. The best features is it will type exactly whatever in the Excel sheet, exactly type into matrimonial data entry software. After completing the form, also open the image and check the data and the save the form. And then go to next form. Now I'm keeping speed, I'm putting speed 120. Means it will some slowly type. Now click on start button and click on the first box of your software. So it types very slowly like exactly manual typing. While auto typing, don't touch keyboard or mouse until the full form completed. After completing auto typing, you can check the data and save the data. By doing this, you can achieve 100% accuracy. Using this software, you can get good accuracy. It will complete in very less time also. You can save your time and earn good earnings. If you have more time, sufficient time, keep slow typing. If you have less time, adjust typing speed, fast typing, adjust to fast typing. It is better. So by using this software, you can easily complete your projects in time without stress. So we have solution for how to autotype matrimonial data entry project in time or in less time. So after completing this form, must check the data and save the form and go to next form. So now I'm in 5. It's a very fast typing. Click on third form. After completing form, color changes into green. Uncompleted forms stay in black color. So click on start button and click on the first box of your software. Start typing. Timing very fast typing. Within 1 minute, complete the full form. So thanks for watching guys. Contact +91 970 430 5784. Thank you.